Hey guys, this is Redo, and today I received a package from China, and this is the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. And so the good folks at MJJC asked me if I can review their product, and I obviously said yes because I have the MTM PF22 Canon, right? And everyone knows that this Canon is made from Italy. And so in a way, this is going to be Italy versus China. So let's go ahead and open this and we'll see what the package is. So let me open this. Well, this is just how I open something like this. I'm just gonna go cut it and open it up. Oh, I see a black package instead of the standard, no name brown packages, right? This one is actually, let's just put that there, pretty, right? So MJJC Focus on Car Care Foam Cannon Pro. They have a couple of how to use videos or pictures here, and they're also have their YouTube channel for the great FL Pro. So what's new with the new generation Foam Cannon Pro? And just so you guys know, I have no idea what, I know it's a foam cannon, but I don't know what the features are. So this would be both our first time reading this. So number one, its adjustable spray direction feature makes it easier to foam the top and I guess chassis of your vehicle. So for the foam cannon, it's probably, or for my PF22, it's probably this one too, right? You can adjust it vertical and horizontal. And then better foam fan. Well, better foam fan will be made with the new spray nozzle. Okay. Then third would be thicker foam with even less shampoo. All right, I'm willing to try that out. Foam thickness up to 30% higher than the first generation foam cannon. I don't have their first generation cannon, so I can't compare that, but I do have the PF22, so we can compare on that one. Number 5. Thick foam cannon can be made with a 90 bar or 1300 psi. Okay, and then number 6, new connection system. Okay, that's what I wanted to see, because for the PF22, it's just this one, and I think this is the 1/4. So you just like do that. Ooh. And that's it, right? And this one, bigger tank, which can contain more than 1 liter of water. And 8, this is a new tank, easier to hold or attach into the foam cannon. Number 9, new tank, again with no leaking when upside down. Oh, I like that, because this one would leak if you put this upside down, I think. Oh, it doesn't? Oh, yes, it does. You can see it there. All right. So, made a mess now. Let me just get some random wipe here. All right, so yes, and it does indeed leak as far as the PF22 is concerned. So that's gonna be a plus for me. Number 10, new fresh look. All right, and 11, less noise than the first generation foam cannon. Okay, well, those would be my expectations. So Foam Cannon Pro from MJJC. What's this? How do you? Oh, it opens sideways. What? Wait. That's weird. I thought this would open like that. Oh, I get it. Like that. Alright. Took a while. Ooh. Okay. So, this is obviously the tank. MJJC Focus and Car Care Foam Cannon Pro. Let's see. The maximum here is, it says 1,000. Right? I don't know if you can see it. I'll just make a B-roll later. 1,000 milliliters, or 1 liter, I guess. And this one's also 1,000 too. So, I mean, it's pretty much the same. And again, I'll probably make a couple of B-rolls later to emphasize some of the size difference. And so this would be the agitator, or I don't know if that's the right part, but this is the one that actually makes the foam. And I have stuff to play around with later, like popping up the bubbles. So let's, and I destroyed the plastic. That's okay. Okay. Ooh. This one's nice. So yeah, I'm going to guess it can be, this is vertical right now, and then that's horizontal. There's no sound, so it's pretty quiet. I kind of like it when there's like a ticking sound, like click, click, click. But that's just me. Okay. And then, these are the assembly parts. So I'll open it up. Ooh, I almost cut the the plastic inside of it. Okay. So we have a couple here. This is obviously the quick connect, which is 1 quart, right? Same size. And I'm going to guess that this is what they're saying, that it's easy to connect, right? You just do that, right? What makes it easy is I don't need any tools, right? It's just my hand. Whereas compared to this one, right, then I need a wrench to secure it properly. But this one, super easy. I know in a couple of YouTube videos they mentioned that you don't need to, let's see, where is it? Use Teflon to on this one, right? You know what? I'll probably still add one or use one here. I don't know. I just add Teflon to everything. And this is the orifice. I believe this is the 1.1, and this is 1.2 right now. Since I have the Kranzel over there, which is 2 GPM 1400 electric pressure washer, then I don't really need the 1.1. And then this is the foam agitators, I believe. Let's you know what? Let's see if I still have the old one here, or at least the replacement for my MTM, because I wanted to be able to compare it. Well, I guess it's not here. I'll find it later. Did I put it here? Ah, there it is. Okay. And then this is also the 1.1 orifice for MTM's PF22. So there we go. And this is the PF22's replacement foam agitators. So it's a lot more compact, and I'll add this to a B-roll so you guys can compare what it looks like. But just comparing the two, this is way more compact compared to the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. And then what else do we have here? What's this? just a quick how to use and a couple of technical data here. And I believe I have the S Pro. So nozzle is, well, it's pretty much like the same thing. Alright, so I don't think I need to read this because I believe this is pretty self-explanatory. So a couple of comments, I guess, as far as the packaging is concerned. I think the packaging is nice, right? Again, it's black compared to what comes with the PF22. It has a couple of pictures, good advertising, especially looking good on the shelf on a physical store, right? And I guess my comment here is, I don't know if this is as cost effective as what MTM is doing, because for the most part, right, I will be throwing this away, right? I'm not gonna put this on a shelf and look at it every day. And you know what? Maybe I would if, you know, if this was made in gold. But as soon as I open this, right, I'm gonna put this in here and I'm gonna throw this away, just like the package, right? I'm gonna, same thing with this one. I'll throw it away and I'll never see it again. And so just, to me, a little afterthought on that one. But if they want their packaging to be pretty and cool looking, right, then that's fair. All right, so what is this? This is like the hose to get the soap with water. That's nice compared to MTM's. Ooh, that's sharp, right? So a little bit of quality check there, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm trying to zoom it in. But I'll do another B-roll. But there's a sharp object there later, and let's see if I can show it, because if I did it on my skin, I'm gonna hurt myself. Alright, let's see if I can just like take it off. No, it's still sharp. Right there, you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it, but I'll make a close-up video later. Okay, so first things first, I know I'm just gonna put this in here. Right? And that's how it is. And that's what it looks like. It's not gonna, you know, topple if there's not a lot of water compared to this one. This one, if there's not a lot of water here, it's gonna be leaning forward because this part is pretty heavy. And so it's smaller, and I believe this is the same. It says 1000, right? And this one's 1002. So both of them, I can't wait to test this out, especially with the ball for the hose or tube. What's this part? I don't know what this part is. Didn't say anything in the instruction, but because I know that if I put it on the left side or leaning on the right side and then leaning on the left side, I know that part right here, see how it moves on the reflection, or in the let's see, on the bottle. I don't know if there's a huge benefit out of it, because most often than not, if I see, you know, if I see that I don't have a lot of soap anymore, then I'm just gonna stop, right, and refill it. I'm not gonna try and get all what's left, right? But it is a good feature, and I know it's gonna play a role later on. So, first things first, I need to buy car shampoo, and I typically use MTM's per foam ends. This really foams extremely well, right? And so I'll order this and then I'll start washing let's see. I think I'll watch the Civic because the M2 is clean already, and it's actually set for winter all the way until March. All right, so that's me doing a quick overview of what's in the package. Let's see. So this is the whole package, right? Let's see. There you go. That's what it looks like. There's still a little play there, but I don't care. Oh, did I made it dirty already? Looks good. I am an MTM fan, so if this actually provides the same benefits as this one, right? Remember, I believe there's a version 2 of this one now, which looks kind of like this, but this is, I think this is like around 60 bucks, and so it's way cheaper than this one, right? And if this can provide the same foaming, I don't know, the same foam amount, I guess, or the amount of foam as this one, then I don't see why I won't be using this more and more compared to this one. So that's it for my quick first impressions of the MJJC Pro, and the next video would be me using the Foam Cannon Pro against the PF22 from MTM. So, thanks for watching, guys.